All right, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every fisherman has 2 tackle boxes. One that they keep with them on their person at all times, like right next to them, and it makes it in the boat, the truck, the bag, whatever it is that your tackle box is. And then the other one that is 47 pieces just all over the place, and you use them occasionally and maybe you don't use them at all. So today we're gonna look at this 7-piece fishing set by KastKing. And we're gonna see if there's anything in here that I'm actually gonna keep in my tackle bag. Let's open this up and let's go through all the pieces that you get in the 7-piece fishing kit right here. Right out of the gate, I love the packaging. They did a really good job. I'm just a sucker for orange, so that's why I picked it up, because I just like having the orange complement in my fishing gear. Now, this is a freaking pretty sweet knife. I love the fact that the fillet knife right here, but I also love that you have a sharpening edge right there as well. So that's pretty dang sweet that you can sharpen that up if it gets dull. And then you also have the ability right here to use just this piece if you need to cut your line or anything like that. That's a really cool, handy piece right there. So right out of the gate, I love that. I mean, the quality of that is super, super good. I have another one that's just super bendy, and I would use this one for filleting and for gutting because of how firm that is. I love that because the one I have is really flimsy and it's just not fun when I'm cleaning the fish. So while that may not make it into the bag, it's definitely making it into the cleaning bag. That's kind of cool. They give you a cloth for your hands. I'm telling you right now, right out of the gate, this is making the bag. I need one like this. I need a cloth, and I can keep this on the outside. So if my hands get wet, I can dry them off. They get slimy, and it's just a really good polyester cloth that just kind of feels like it's gonna keep the water off as well, right? Not soak up that water. All right, now next we have a fish hooker. And this would be great if I do a lot of bait fishing. I don't right now, so I don't think this is making it in the bag. When I go more trout fishing, I do a lot more bait stuff like that. So when I've been doing a lot of bass, which hooking them on the lip, and which is pretty easy to get off with just a pair of needle nose pliers. And speaking of needle nose pliers, check out what we got here. Man, all right, the gate, these are heavy duty. These are awesome. They give you your weight crimpers, they give you your line cutters, and they give you the de-hooking tip right there. So everything I need is right here. These are definitely making it in the bag because I do not have a pair that has all of that and then some. So these are going in the bag right now. You know, I mean, I do have a pair that I was using, but they're kind of flimsy and small and light. So I am definitely upgrading from these guys to the other guys. So those are not going in the bag. So I actually have never ever used one of these before, and because I've never caught a fish that I've actually needed that. But I love the fact that it is actually USB-C right here. So it's USB-C that they give you one, and they give you some jaw clamps as well. So you're just gonna hook that in, and now I'm gonna zero it out. So apparently there's some big bass back here, and if I catch one of these guys, then I'm gonna definitely use this jaw clamp right here. And this actually is pretty cool because it does have a measuring tape as well. All right, enough of this. You got this weight scale. I'm definitely gonna want to try and use this. That's my goal this summer, to use this. I gotta get my fishing on because that looks like a lot of fun back there. So if I catch one of these guys that's gonna use one of these, we're gonna do that. Oh, there we go. We got one. He's a big one. That was a good strike. Got one, my first one on a bait cast. I'm not sure what direction I'm going, but look how big that guy is. Look at that, look at it. It is huge right there. A new fish getters. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Got the hook out. Let's get him back in the water. He's just a whittle guy. There you go. And he's gone. Definitely keeping these in the bag. So right there, if you guys own a pair, you're just gonna catch more fish. That's all it is to it, right? You have to have a pair of these pliers to catch more fish, I guess. That's the second bass that I've caught in my life. So guaranteed to catch bass, I guess. So pick yours up today.